is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Turns out Montel Jordan knows how to do almost everything. And it turns out the Journal is the quality insurance company that's been saving people money for nearly 60 years.
This is how we do it.
Bring on.
Civil danger for the state of Alaska. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North American Airspace Defense Command. Civil authorities in your area have detected 3 nuclear missiles heading for Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau. Follow the instructions in this alert and get to a shelter that can protect you from fallout. Repeating. Civil authorities in your area have detected 3 nuclear missiles heading for Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau. Follow the instructions in this alert and get to a shelter that can protect you from fallout. This warning applies to all areas receiving this alert, as fallout can't spread over a large area. Missiles will hit within the next 30 to 45 minutes. Bring food, water, and medical supplies that can last you up to 14 days, and radio during your stay in your shelter. Tune your radio to 550 kHz on your AM dial to get information during your stay in your shelter. Only come out of your shelter if extremely necessary, as fallout is deadly. Civil authorities in your area have detected 3 nuclear missiles heading for Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau. Follow the instructions in this alert and get to a shelter that can protect you from fallout. This station will now cease transmission. To receive news and information, tune to 550 kHz on your AM dial using your radio.
This is an attack warning. Repeat. This is an attack warning. Attack warning means that an actual attack against this country has been detected and protective action should be taken. NORAD has detected a launch of 3 missiles from Southeast Asia. It is believed that these missiles are carrying nuclear warheads. The projected targets of these missiles are Anchorage in the next 10 minutes, Fairbanks in the next 11 minutes, and Juneau in the next 15 minutes. Anyone within a 400-mile radius of these areas are to seek a fallout shelter at this time. Sheltering in place is not advised, as your survival will not be ensured.
All clear. There is no threat or danger to the state of Alaska. It is now safe to exit your shelter. The nuclear missiles inbound to Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau have been intercepted and no longer pose a threat. Programming may now resume. All clear. There is no threat or danger to the state of Alaska. It is now safe to exit your shelter. The nuclear missiles inbound to Anchorage, Fairbanks, and Juneau have been intercepted and no longer pose a threat. Programming may now resume.
Event type is civil emergency. For Yukon and British Columbia, anyone receiving this alert is required to evacuate this region as it will soon become uninhabitable. Nuclear missiles have impacted targets in the state of Alaska. The missiles have hit these locations: Anchorage, latitude 61.2181 degrees north, longitude 149.9003 degrees west. 157,000 confirmed dead and 84,000 confirmed injured. Fairbanks, latitude 64.8378 degrees north, longitude 147.7164 degrees west. 57,000 confirmed dead and 17,000 confirmed injured. And Juneau, latitude 58.3019 degrees north, longitude 134.4197 degrees west. 12,000 confirmed dead and 8,000 confirmed injured. Nuclear fallout is expected to spread to portions of both Yukon and British Columbia. Evacuate now. Failure to do so will put your life at risk. If you are not able to evacuate, your authorities will assist you. The Prime Minister will be on the air to speak about this situation shortly.
We are getting reports that the death toll is already in the hundreds of thousands, which is scary because Alaska has a population of 730,000. For the first time in history, the Pentagon is now at DEFCON 1, meaning maximum military readiness for immediate response to threats or attacks. We are beginning to receive unconfirmed reports that Alaskan radio stations and television networks aired an all-clear message just before the nuclear detonations happened. If this is true, we could be looking at a higher death toll than previously expected.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for East Central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Tipton County in western Tennessee, northwestern Shelby County in western Tennessee, until 6:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over West Memphis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Memphis and Frazier around 5:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Bean and Shelby Forest State Park around 5:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Bartlett around 5:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Dixonville around 5:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Millington around 5:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Munford around 5:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Brighton around 5:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday for the following counties: Crittenden, Arkansas, and the following counties, in Tennessee: Shelby and Tiffin.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape Clear, the super strong waterproof tape that's clearly the best way to patch, bond,
My fellow Americans, at this time, the United States has been attacked with nuclear weapons. Just earlier this morning, the state of Alaska was attacked first. Not too long ago, I, Joseph Robinette Biden, was given the authorization to launch retaliation strikes against China. Just now, military surveillance satellites have detected another launch of missiles from China. What we have feared for the longest time is now coming to pass. Nuclear detonations have been confirmed in the following cities: Anchorage, Alaska; Chicago, Illinois; Denver, Colorado; Fairbanks, Alaska; San Antonio, Texas; and Juneau, Alaska. Many more missiles are expected to impact further in the central and eastern United